I was a student here 33 years ago, graduated here. It's a proud moment for me as well. Given the today's scenario, studies not just reading the books, the project is extremely important. We actually keep telling the students to come to our institutes to be well versed. Big gesture from the management. I really appreciate this, and being a student of this college, I feel this is a great opportunity for all students here to showcase their abilities, the work that they are. I wish all the best for all the students over here to enjoy the 2 days. Technical exhibition is one of the most important aspect of research. So given that, I also wish many of them get into research successfully, get into bigger contributions across the world. Thank you.
We've even created a nice website for it. We can just upload our model code and it will give that explanation no matter what domain it is. And obviously it's extremely useful in the medical domain because that's where the whole issue of trust comes.
Students who are very innovative creative. Future on data science, engineering. So I think this is a good creative opportunity for all of them to show. Always have tried to see impart quality technical education. ನಾವು ಈಗ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಜನೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಹೈ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಡೆಲಿವರ್. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಇದು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಸಮಾಧಾನ. ಮುಂದೆ ಇವರೇ ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಇವರೇ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹೊರದೇಶಗಳು ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ. ಆ ಥರ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಪ್ಲೆಜರು. ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್
ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಸಂಬಳ 50-60
Give it,